That is right.
Juliana, what are you doing with the young man here?
You mean him? You know, we just came out for dinner. He's just a friend. And what are you doing here yourself?
Young man, get out. Get out of the car. Are you aware you are violating the rights of a married man?
Julia, what's going on here? I mean, I don't get it. What's going on?
The keys.
Come on, Nana.
Give me the keys. Joe. Do be polite to the gentleman. Give him something to remember us by.
Thank you very much.
Now you get in the car.
Hey, Julia, what's going on here?
Young man, this time you don't trespass on people's property. This time, stay away from people's property, you understand?
Is it true that you're fighting all the young men in town because of your so-called wannabe?
Where did you pick up those rumors?
Oh, it's rumors. Then it's all over the place.
You know how loud it sounds, Eunice? Whenever a big star makes trivial mistakes, it becomes delectable morsels for the hungry medium.
I see. So you love a star? Wow! From Ghanawood or Gollywood? Or Hollywood or Nollywood?
Eunice, I thought you laying the table for lunch. Please,
Mr. Bachman, I hope that girl has not buried your head in a black pot. I mean, how could you pick up a retired, shrunk, skinny, wretched, and retarded prostitute and try to make your wife?
My Juliana is not a prostitute. She's never been. And even if she is, it is a challenge to me to turn her around.
Wow! My husband, Nanakwesi Bachman, now a savior. Oh, Holy Ghost fire, give him the strength to turn some wretched, retired prostitutes around. Savior Bachman, food is ready. Let's go and dine. God give you strength to turn prostitutes around each and every moment. Food is ready.
He wouldn't let her go. He just can't let go. Oh, he's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire. 'Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. It's like an obsession, just like possession. She has entered his blood, and his feelings for her is flowing like a flood. Although he has another, he's old enough to be her father. He wants her for himself. He can't stand her with no one else. She wants to be free of him, but he won't let her be. He won't let her go. Oh no, he just can't let go.
How are you? Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Julie, I've had enough of this, okay? Just leave me alone, okay?
Come on, please, don't let this ruin our plans. You know we have future together. Please, can we go in and talk?
Look, just go and leave me alone.
Please, I said I'm sorry. Oh my God, you're in pain.
I can't be a player of this your game, okay? Just leave me alone. That man could have killed me, you know.
How could he do that to you?
He's a monster. He would do everything just to keep you to his side. I love my life.
Oscar, please. You know I love you so much. Don't let this, break us apart. Come on.
I also love you. But why didn't you tell me you're having a godfather? I don't want to be his next prey, okay?
You know I was waiting for the right time, just to explain it to you. So can we go
Julie,
inside?
leave me alone.
Just give me one more chance. It won't happen again. I'm sorry, please. I'm on my knees, please. I'm sorry. Please, my knees. I'm so sorry.
Julie,
please.
leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oscar, please. Oscar. Come on, please. Oscar, please. I'm sorry.
I said leave me alone.
Oscar. Oscar, please. Oscar. You know, I don't care who Chief is. And besides, he's a married man. And I don't love him. Julia. They say, when your hands are in the mouth of a man with a sharp teeth, you don't give him a knock. You know how influential Nana is in this society. Just play according to his game. But Mami, I haven't committed myself to him. He's not engaged to me. And look at my friends, they're all dating young men. Even when I'm around with them, I feel so shy. Because they keep bothering me with, Chief, you're going out with old men. What's that supposed to mean, ma'am? He's too old for me. Why? You committed yourself the very day you agreed to marry. I'm not committed to Chief. And besides, he's not engaged to me. And he haven't even paid my bride price. And look, I need to be free. I can do whatever I want with my life. I'm not his prisoner of love. I'm not. Just listen to yourself. Look at how this family has been good because of Nana. Think. No matter what you do, be very, very careful. Do you hear me? Be very careful. I will.
Well, Juliana. Here we are. A house all for you. So you have all over this place.
Very big.
Yes, and then late morning, the afternoons, sit here, you enjoy the cool breeze.
I know. TV. I love it.
What do you think about the place?
It's beautiful. You know, it's very big. So, you are such a caring man. What would I do without you?
Come on, Juliana. This is just the beginning. Now, just be mine and mine alone.
Oh my.
And I'm going to place this whole wide world right at your feet.
I'm all yours. Trust me.
Really. Let's get in.
I'm just a little bit busy. I'll call you back later, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, so that would be all. Later we'll ask you to come and help, and then we put the furniture in order, okay? Alright, so go on with your work. Let's go.
So, hi, visitor. Hi. Julian, that's my sister. She's Anita. That's the younger one. She's Evelyn. Friends from school. Okay, girls. Have to excuse us.
Okay.
Alright, girls.
So let's go.
To my room.
Say, this is how you do it every day. Fun, eh?
Oh, please. You know girls, you know, I mean, how they do them things. So, this is my house. I hope you like it.
It's cool, it's fun.
Thank you. So, do you care for a drink?
No, I'm okay, thank you. I had something outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, since you do not want anything to drink nor eat, I promise you a hot night out today.
Really?
Trust me, you're going to meet guys, dons, the who's and the who's.
And anyway, where are you taking me to?
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Hi. Hi. I'm cool.
Just cool?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was kind of wondering if I can swim with you.
No, I'm sorry, I can't swim. I'm just here to have fun.
Wow.
And I'm not, ready to drown. So,
Oh, come on. I can teach you how to swim if you are ready.
no way. I won't take that risk.
Well, anyway, I'm Ike.
Julian.
Julian. Wow. What a lovely name.
Thank you. Are you a Nigerian?
I'm an African. See, I can be a Nigerian, I can be a Ghanaian, or Liberian. So long as I'm a black man, I belong to any part of the black continent.
I just wanted to know a specific country, like where you come from. No need giving me that attitude.
Anyway, man, you look
Whatever.
lovely.
You know what? I'm not listening anymore. I'm going in the water.
Just listen to what come on, just listen to me. 1 minute. You have all that I'm looking for in a woman. You see, the moment I laid my eyes on you, then I couldn't, come on, I couldn't control my feelings.
I'm not listening now. Cut it, because I'm sick of you flirting around. And I can't stand anymore, so you know what I'm gonna do?
It's funny. I'm serious, man.
Come on. You're flirting too much.
Can I offer you a drink? See when you go out?
Why not?
Okay.
If you want. Well, you know, I've been in the water, standing here not swimming, so I'm freezing. I'm gonna, you know, go out.
Oh.
Okay?
What? Can't you start the lessons?
No way.
I'll join you soon. Okay?
But do me a favor. Don't check my ass out.
Anyway, bye-bye. I'll talk to you later then. Thank God I met you at this time. It's obvious he's taken advantage of you only because he thinks you need help. But hey, everything is coming to an end.
You know, I'm a very emotional person. And respect love as well.
Wow.
Please don't break my heart.
What? I should be saying so. Don't break my heart. Because I'm afraid of your people.
What?
Ghanaians, I know. One day your family will tell you, hey, we won't allow you to marry a Nigerian.
You know, I live my life. So they can't tell me what to do, who to, you know, go out with. That's up to me.
You're old enough to decide.
Yeah.
Then, welcome. Welcome to my love club.
Your love club.
My love club. Come on. Welcome. Okay?
Oh God, I can't believe you said welcome.
Welcome to my love club.
What's that supposed to mean, welcome?
I'm happy. I mean, happy. I'm happy, come on. Oh my God! Is everything okay with you?
Okay.
My son, I have understood all that you have said, and I am not against it. But there is a saying that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. We all know Nana very well in this house. But you don't know you. So how do you expect us to fight with you?
Papa, it has always been my wish to make my intention known to this family. But the atmosphere has not been created. And that's why I want to create it myself.
What saying is well understood. But what I want to tell you now is that you have to be very, very careful. Because the slightest mistake that you will make will jeopardize our security and yours.
It's true.
You know, Nana is a public figure, well known in this country. So, if you say you are going to fight him, you have to fight him with strength.
Yes.
And be very, very careful.
I understand all this you just said. And believe you me, I won't do anything that will like jeopardize the family. And believe you me, everything will be alright.
Alright. If you say so.
Yes.
You have no problem.
At all.
Yes. Alright, so you can Julie, see him off. Okay.
Shall we? Okay.
Papa. Take care.
Thank you.
Julie. Papa. You know I love you. I am advising you today. If only you know how to play the game. But you have to be very, very careful the way you move around with him. Because Nana is very jealous.
Very jealous man.
And they say every jealous person is a killer. So you have to be very careful. Okay?
Papa, everything you have said here, I have heard. But trust me, I'll be very, very, very careful.
Okay.
And I'll do anything to eliminate him, to get rid of him completely.
That's right.
But now, come on, Papa, look at him. He's too old for me.
I said it.
He's too old. I don't even know how I accepted him in my life at the first place.
You cool down. I know you can do it. Okay?
Wanna hold you till like keep you all inside.
Good day, sir. Good day, madam.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for one Mr. John Cole.
Who are you?
I'm a businessman. And Mr. Cole is my business partner.
I think you mixed your way. It's the next house or next two houses.
You mean the next two houses or the next house?
The next house.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good day, sir. Good day, madam.
Till the feeling may subside.
You got a good voice, you know.
No, I was gonna sing with the Beatles.
Can you imagine what happened back there? How can you expect me to be lying every day? A man can run, but he can't hide forever. The only solution to this problem is you allow me to face your man. Face to face. Eyeball to eyeball. Where I say,
My love, you don't understand. Nana is a very dangerous man. Why don't you let us handle this with patience?
Patience. I am fed up. patient can go to hell. Julie, you love me, don't you?
Yes, I do.
What are you waiting for? Why don't you sit back and relax? Just allow me to meet your man face to face.
Like, if that's what you want, go ahead. Meet him.
Thank you. Gracias.
How could you stoop so low, Juliana? Now, just what is it you want that I cannot afford to give you?
Freedom. Freedom is what I want.
Freedom, my foot. Is it because I protect you? Is it because I buy everything for you? Is it because I spend a lot of money on you? You take me for a fool? You think I'm stupid? Now, you don't give me that bullshit.
Nana, the truth is, I like you, but I don't love you.
Now, you don't give me that trash. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Hold it right there, mister. Hold it. And don't ever think about that. You blood clot, bomber clot. Don't make up. Disorganized you. I be fixing yourself go be problem. You said.
You know what you are? You're a goddamn son of a bitch. What the hell do you want in my house? You son of a goddamn swine.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, young man.
I said get out of my house.
You stay away from my fiancé. You have a beautiful wife. Why don't you spend some time with her and leave that poor girl alone?
Who the hell do you think you are? I guess you don't realize whom you're talking to, do you?
I don't give a damn about who you are. I don't give a damn about who you are or whoever you think you are. And don't say I did not warn you. If you think you are a mafia, I'll show you that I'm the ninja. So would you please stay away from my fiancé? Do I make myself clear? Bullshit.
You have now met your match. Ninja versus Mafia. Hey. Honey, the guy is serious. Why don't you leave this girl alone? He will kill you.
Let him dare me.
He can't stand her with no one else.
Let him dare.
She wants to be free of him, but he won't let her be. He won't let her go.
Young man, Alright. I'll be back.
Get out of here, please. He can do anything.
Listen, sir, are you okay? Yeah. No, open the gate, open the gate. Now you listen down. Now you give that son of a bitch a good answer. All right, A handsome, my boy. Now you know, deal with that guy. Who the fuck? Deal with it.
Blow your head right out. Blow everything out. Because of that little Juliana. See ya! Juliana's baby. Yes. What should I buy for you? There he goes again. I guess Juliana. Juliana. I guess I should buy Juliana for you, right? On a silver platter. God punish. I'll be with you.
But he won't let her be. obsession. Could lead to his destruction. He won't let her go. He won't let her go. He just can't let go. He just can't let go. He's burning with so much desire. Only she can put out his fire. 'Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. It's burning up. His time is up. It's burning up. Oh, his time is up. Oh no, he's burning with desire.
Now you Joe, get inside there. Pack everything and get the hell out of here. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh, but Nana.
Now don't you but none me. I said get inside, pack everything and get the hell out of here. What am I paying you for? Because of your incompetence. Now I've become the laughing stock of society. Do you understand? Now shut up! When the idiot pummeled me, you folded your arms and stood having a holiday, wasn't it?
I was acting on the orders, sir.
Touches my fault. Whose instructions were that? Who gave you those orders?
Yes, sir.
Who gave you those orders? And what am I paying you for? Now you are fired. Do you understand? You are sacked. You are a deletion on my payroll. Do you understand? You bunch of bodyguards are good for nothing, useless. Now henceforth, I'm taking care of myself. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now you get inside there and pack everything again. That's what I'm saying. I said get inside. Inside. Get inside.
Just can't let go. Oh no, he's burning with desire. He's burning up, and only she can put out his fire. 'Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire.
What is happening?
Nana, what is it? Nana, what is it?
Nana, talk to us, Nana.
Nana, what is happening? Is somebody dead?
Nana, what is it? What is it?
Nana, Bob.
Nana, what is it? Talk to us.
Your daughter.
My daughter? Is she dead?
Your daughter.
Is she dead? Nana, talk to us. Is she dead?
Me, Nana. Me, Nana, Kwesi. Me, Nana, Kwesi,
Nana, is she dead?
Your daughter.
Nana, talk to us. Is
Your
she
daughter.
dead?
Your daughter. Your daughter. Ow.
Nana, what is it? Talk to us.
Since that wretched son of a bitch came into her life, I've become her greatest enemy.
Nana.
You are not saying you are saying to me, Nana Kwesibaku. You know how it pains. You know how painful it is to to invest on the money. Do you know how painful it is to invest on the money? And you are telling me, you are also saying,
Let's go inside and talk this, please.
He won't let her go. He just can't let go. Oh, he's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire, 'cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. It's like an obsession, just like possession. She has entered his blood.
So, how did it go at the hospital?
And his feelings for her is flowing.
Akwesi, look at yourself. Just look at yourself. See how you insult yourself getting involved in fights with these small boys. Don't you realize you're a family man and a very respectable person in the society? Why do you allow yourself to be ridiculed just because of this little girl?
I'm sorry. Yeah. Really, I'm sorry about everything. You have to understand, Eunice. I don't know, but it's this thing called love. I don't know. But I'm so much in love with her. I'm not going to sit down for any goddamn swine to snatch her away from me. No.
Do you know the implication and consequences of what you just said? Early grave. You're preparing for early grave. Because those boys will do anything to snatch her from you, which will send you to your death.
He wants her for himself. He can't stand her with no one else. He wants to be free of him, but he won't let her be.
You haven't stopped eating. Okay. What are you doing to yourself, eh? Oh, get up and eat, okay? Oh, it won't do you any good. For the past 3 days you've been here because of this little thing you call a girl. Crying in bed. Why? What are you doing to yourself?
His fire, 'cause she is his desire. Sweet desire. She is his sweetest desire. Sweetest desire.
I thought you were even finished the food by now. Get up, get up, get up.
No.
You get up and eat
No,
a
no.
little for me.
No.
Honey, just a little, okay? Just a little, you get up. Please eat a little for me, okay? Get up and eat just a little. Just a little.
Not that Juliana. Not that Juliana's food. Not that Juliana's food.
Not touching Juliana's food, eh? then you will lie there and die.
Just can't let go. He's just can't let go. Cause he's burning with desire. So much desire. And only she can put out his fire. His fire. Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire.
Now, get up! Get up! Get up!
Mike, who is it?
Julie, shut up! Get up! Get up before I blow your head off! Get up! Easy! Get up! Easy, easy, easy! Get up! Now, who sent you? Who sent you? Nana Pacman sent you?
He wouldn't let her go.
I love this game. Now move. Don't try to play no tricks on me. Move. Easy. When I say move, you move. When I say move, you move. Move. Move.
Don't shoot me.
I won't shoot you. When I say move, move. Move. Good. Easy. Move.
Cause she is his sweetest.
Easy. Take it easy. Now move to the left side. Move to the left side. Move to the left side. Go. 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 Easy. Easy. Kneel down.
An obsession.
Better. Hey, Julie. Julie. Oh, get me the rope.
Possession.
Get me the rope.
She has entered his blood.
Go there. Go there. Go there.
And his feelings for her is flowing like a flood.
You don't know who you are messing with.
Another, he's old enough to be her father. He wants her for
Can you hold the gun?
himself.
Can you hold the gun? Hold the gun for me.
He can stand her with no one else. She wants to be free of him, but he
Straight up like
won't
this.
let her be.
Easy. When I move, you move.
He won't let her go. Oh no, he just can't let go.
Get up, brother. Get up. Give me the gun. Don't you ever dare mess with me again, okay? Don't ever mess with me again. Move from the car. Move from the car. Fuck you and your children. Fuck you and your children. Okay? Fuck you. Now going in there. You are going in there. Okay? Okay? Mom, move. Get in there.
She's so afraid of his outrage. She wants to go to be with someone else, but he won't let her go. He wants her for himself, but she wants to be free, but he won't let her be. This dangerous obsession, oh, could lead to his destruction. He won't let her go. He won't let her go. He just can't let go. He's just can't let go. He's burning with desire, so much desire, and only she can put out his fire. Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. He's burning up. His time is up. He's burning up. Oh, his time is up. Oh, he won't let her go. He won't let her go. He just can't let go.
How you think you are?
Look, I am Nana Afra's Buckman.
I don't give a shit about your
CEO.
Nana. I don't give a shit about your Nana.
Do you know I work for my money? What about your good for nothing father?
Listen to me.
Do you know where you work for?
Money's everything.
No,
Money's everything.
Let me kick you.
You are going to kick me? How could you send some people to come and kill me?
You are a real man. Why don't you go pick a girl from the street, bring the hair out, and call her your wife? You thought I'm working for you baboon to come and join?
Oh, I see. Nice. Can you imagine? I feel like you. Don't let me disintegrate you.
I'll send you package to your country if you don't know. You police people better throw him to immigration. What? This guy has no business. He does not correct the person.
You know something?
You are a swine.
Don't take advantage of me.
You were born in a pit stop. That's bullshit.
You continue to win, and I'm going to chop. Hey!
You know us.
Hey! Gentlemen! He's not a gentleman. This is a police station. Don't even call him a gentleman. Stop it. Allow me. Don't even call him a gentleman. This is a police station. This man has no respect for you. I say stop it. It's because if you don't, I'm going to get both of you arrested. Hey! Stop it.
Nonsense.
Gentlemen, you send people to come and kill me? How could you do? Look! Understand? Arrest him. He sent people to you, Mr. Backman. You surprised me. Please tell me better. He sent people to come and kill me.
And his feelings for her is flowing.
Mr. Backman, it's okay. And you don't know who I am, yeah? Look, you don't know.
He's old enough to be her father. He wants her for himself. He can't stand her with no one else. She wants to be free of him, but he won't let her be. He won't let her go. Oh no, he just can't let go. He's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire, 'cause she is his sweetest desire. Sweet desire. She is his sweetest desire.
This young man here came to lodge a complaint against you. A complaint of alleged attempted murder. He apprehended the alleged suspect you sent to kill him. What have you to say to that?
And he said I attempted the murder.
He said he apprehended the alleged suspect.
Okay,
You sent him.
Okay, so Inspector, Chief Inspector, how do you know this boy waylaid that guy just to frame me up? How do you know?
You are a big liar, Mr.
Oh,
Oldman.
really?
Yes, I can't believe this old man is still lying.
Now you don't call me old man, boy.
Can't you see you are old?
Yes.
Look, not in my office.
The reason why she don't love you. It's better you say something here or else more.
Yeah, you man.
Now you don't insult.
You don't do this in my office.
I was there with my girl when he came looking for a supposed
Liar!
Liar!
Listen to me! Listen to me! This man is one. Don't let me put more fire!
Young man!
Listen to me! I'm ready to put more fire!
Young man! Listen to me! Not in my office! Not in my office! Young man, please, can you excuse us? I want to have a one-on-one chat with you.
You better do so, or else more fire! You are warm. And you don't know the kind of person.
Look, young man, please excuse us.
I was blackballed and you. Okay.
Nanagosi, you should be ashamed of yourself. How can you get involved in such activities? Look at your status in society. You allow such people to drag your name into the mud? Suppose your wife hears of this. What are you going to do?
Look, Paul, perhaps you don't know the truth. Do you know what it means to pick a wretched soul from the street? Build her up, groom her, buy her a whole house, buy her parents a whole house, buy her a car, set her up in business, fat bank account. And you know, at first her father didn't agree. Then he was struck by a heart disease. Do you know how much I paid? $20,000 goddamn dollars.
But that is no reason to attempt murder.
I did not attempt murder.
Now don't lie to me. I am not the kind of person that you should be lying to. I've spoken to that young man in detention and he has blown the top.
Good. Now, between you and I, Paul, if somebody comes poaching in your farm, what do? You sing hallelujah, clap and sing hallelujah to the person. Don't you have the right to protect what is yours?
No, you don't take laws into your hands.
But that poacher can take law into his hands, can't he?
Perhaps, Buckman, you don't know the seriousness of this case. I would advise you that we settle this case amicably.
Amicably in terms of what?
Nana Buckman, the law is no respecter of persons. And you cannot take the law into your own hands. Look, I'm doing this for you because you are my friend.
That is not because I don't know what to do with you. I'm doing this for you. You should be begging for us to settle this case out of court, so that we don't get this case out of this place to damage your reputation. Can I call in the young man? Audley! Audley!
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Bring in the young man.
Yes, sir. Sir! I'll bring him, sir.
Young man, come and sit down. Okay, you can go.
Yes, sir. Permission to follow, sir.
Permitted.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. Young man, please sit down. Now listen. Young man, after a very serious consideration of this case, my advice is that we settle this case amicably. Let this case not go beyond this office. You understand?
I can't believe we settled this case just like that. I don't understand it. Just kindly explain things further.
Look, young man. Look, you see, sometimes in such cases we try to settle these cases out of court in order not to, to damage people's reputation. So I want to seek the consent of both of you so that we can settle this thing out of court.
It's like an obsession, just like possession. She has entered his blood, and his feelings for her is flowing like a flood. Although he has another, he's old